Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of printer spare parts, specifically a replacement thermal printhead for the FTP-639 series printers. We're talking about the FTP-MCL cutter and the FTP-639 MCL354 printhead, designed for the FTP-639 CT001 printer. This particular item is marketed as a printhead only, which is crucial to note if you're looking to replace a specific component in your thermal printer. Now, let's get straight to some of the most important details about this product, because when you're dealing with printer parts, the specifics really matter. First off, it's explicitly stated that this is a replacement printer part, and it is not genuine. This is a significant point for anyone considering this purchase. You're not getting an OEM part directly from the original manufacturer, but rather an aftermarket alternative. For many, this isn't a deal-breaker, especially if they're looking for a more budget-friendly solution to extend the life of their existing printer. However, it's something to be fully aware of before you click that buy button. Another key aspect highlighted in the product information is the condition note. The item condition is described as either compatible new or original refurbished, and it will be sent by random. This means you might receive a brand new compatible part, or you could get an original part that has been refurbished. The randomness of this condition is something potential buyers need to factor into their decision-making process. While both options aim to be functional, some users might have a preference for one over the other, and it's important to be prepared for either scenario. The product description also strongly advises checking the item's appearance and part number to ensure it works with your original printer. This cannot be stressed enough. Printer models, even within the same series, can have subtle variations, and using the wrong part can lead to further issues or simply not work at all. Taking the time to cross-reference the part number, like FTP-MCL or FTP-639 MCL354, and visually comparing it to your existing printhead is a critical step to avoid disappointment and ensure a successful repair. It's not a customizable part, so what you see in terms of specifications is what you get. Regarding the package, it's mentioned that it includes one PCS set lot or depend on your selection. This suggests there might be options for purchasing single units or multiple, so pay attention to the specific listing you're looking at to confirm what you'll receive. So, who is this replacement printhead for? It's ideal for individuals or businesses looking for a cost-effective way to repair their FTP-639 series thermal printers without investing in a brand new unit or paying premium prices for genuine OEM parts. If you're comfortable with the idea of a non-genuine part, understand the potential for receiving either a new compatible or refurbished original, and are diligent about verifying compatibility with your specific printer model, then this could be a very viable option for getting your printer back up and running. It offers a practical solution for common issues like faded prints or cutter malfunctions, providing a second life for your equipment. Just remember, due diligence on your part regarding compatibility is paramount for a successful outcome.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.